Wow, du Zemmer, umgekommen in Red Hook. Beautiful, beautiful place to work, Kevin. If anyone wants to work here, you can wake up every morning, pull up to work, say hello to the statue. Just come out, check and do. Anyway, let's check in by indeed Yossi Katz. Let's see what he do. How much wie Yossi is. Shalom Aleichem, Yossi. Shalom Aleichem, nimm the mic, clip es on. Yossi, wow. First of all, lucky you at the Arbeiten als a heilige Platz. You can see jeden Tag sehen the line of Manhattan. So, man stond mit Dings da Kaffee jeden zufrieden by the shoreline.
Someone that brews coffee here.
Hast du a brewer?
Beer, brewer, winery.
Du Beer, brewer, was hast alles du?
Everything on premises.
So take us in, Yossi. Ich sehe Sachen von dich, ich hear Sachen von dich, but now I actually get a visit inside your company.
That's correct.
Let's go straight inside. So according to call it's a wood finishing company, it's a yiddish beglau. What Yossi did, Yossi gonna show us exactly what he does. I'm about over going to do it. Wow, get my kick do. What's guys for Yossi? Give us a single demo.
Let me give you a little bit of a demo. We basically are in business since 1993.
Wow, okay, so Yossi, how von unai, what's dein business?
My business is basically refinishment, alta quality furniture to bring it into a new look. Like this, you have your old quality and a new look.
So basically the styles change. Had the alte kitchen in the 1970s. 2024, 2025, Happy New Year's, will a nice updated kitchen. Instead of knocking out the kitchen and ordering a new kitchen for $100,000,
right, we come in and we do it for 20, 25, 30, depending how big the kitchen is.
So for $25,000, a quarter of the price, you make over the whole kitchen.
Whole kitchen, and as you can see, we have certain finishes that we do, which are requested by customers. Painted looks, we have some glittered looks with shimmer on it, painted look with gold leafing around, with antiquing, without antiquing. Here there's a color, a customer made a whole dining room set from black, and he wanted to give it a beautiful uplifting look. We did that. We also do on site. As you can see, marble leaf.
Is the echte marble this?
No, this is holes. We save people money. This is what we do.
So just I know that kitchen, he wants to give it a marble look. He wants to have now marble countertops.
Or he's making a fireplace in his house from wood, not from marble. We give him the effect and the look that he's really looking for.
Wow. So you don't do anything from scratch?
Nope.
So du nimmst alte Sachen und die machst immer frisch?
That's correct.
I saw a beautiful picture. You did one job. You made a beautiful thing for the Minka Cherebe. That was you, right?
That's correct, right.
You made the Unen Koidish from the Besmedrish as a miniature for his house.
A miniature for that, and that's correct. We imitated the marble look on it, and it felt exactly like a piece of marble.
So you have going in-house their whole day. They're working and refinishing pieces of wood. So what's today going to do?
He's preparing for the bedroom set that we're going to be delivering. The customer built a new house. He does not want no furniture. He got a furniture guy to build him the furniture, and we're actually finishing it to the color that he wants.
So the furniture guy built him a bedroom set, but for the finish, they come to you.
That is correct.
So you're gonna give him a beautiful finish. Over here, it looks like a night table. And what's today's?
This is going to be a makeup table.
A makeup table. Very nice, beautiful. What's these big woods over here?
These are existing closet doors that he had, which were made out of wallpaper and other things, and we're giving it a wood look at this point.
The same customer?
Same customer.
So he has existing closet doors, but it will have a look.
New look, that's correct.
Unreal. That's really a money sufficient. Somebody wants to save money. This is unreal. What's noch? Right? Visions. I once heard people over talking like Yossi Katz have saved visions of his medische months. What's the master?
That is correct. Visions had gebouwd by him, a cheap contractor, 22 Svudem Schenk from a very cheap wood, and they bought in a couple of finishers to try to match to the existing Guru Koidish, and they failed. They bought me in, and I matched it 100% within 10 days from when I started until I left the Besmedrish. All the Svudem were back in the Svudem Schenk.
So you're saying they couldn't get the color right to match the Uren Kodesh.
That's correct.
So for that you need the pros, Yossi Katz.
And we mix all our colors and stains alone. We don't buy nothing ready.
You don't give anything out to you don't sub anything out?
Nothing. Everything gets done by my quality workers, and I can control.
You can show all the Chevre here, wo seid hier, wenn seid hier is, nothing gets done without being overseen by you. Ich habe noch ein yiddish 770, die Uren Kodesh da auch gemacht, nein?
That is correct. They wanted to preserve the 100-year-old Uren Kodesh.
100 years old Uren Kodesh 770?
Yes. And they bought me in. We worked night shifts to accommodate the customer, and it was done 100% to satisfaction.
So they überfrischen, repainten, they made a new color, or they kept
No, they kept the original color.
They kept the same colors of the 770. Unbelievable.
Chaim, ich gehe sogar noch etwas, was andere Tiere nicht. I had in the past 2 years, leider weiß der Oilem, as the Sach fires in Borough Park. Part of the kitchen got burned and part not. They called me in, we picked up the part that was burned, finished it to the existing kitchen, and the customer never knew the difference, what was burned and what wasn't burned.
Wow. So until you came around, you had to buy a new kitchen.
Exactly, you had to rip it out, fight with the insurance company, and now there's no hassle.
And you pick up and deliver as well?
Yes, we do.
How do you ensure the date? This looks time it's going to be ready in 2 weeks.
We don't go in mass production. Every customer gets the individual attention, and that's how we can have control over the delivery dates and everything.
Unbelievable. That's it. You're saying you care for the customer. That's the 100% priority by you.
That is correct.
This noch etwas, or this is basically the
interior work? We do steps and banisters. People build custom libraries.
Really? You have a Zimmer, a study.
Einer will bauen a Zimmer, was solid wood, and for solid wood, and man geht daran zu einer von der high-end Chevre beten $75,000, $125,000 for a Svurim room. I hook you up with Gitta woodworkers. They come in for $25,000, $30,000. We finish it for another $15,000, $20,000, and you literally save half the money and high quality.
Wow, that's it. Chevre, the Olam had both China Surim Simmers, with China studies. Yossi Katz is the way to go. This is, I mean, I'm looking around the Yischoide, and you showed me a picture soon. I'm going to put it on as well. It's unreal what we can spuren, and the quality you get, because the quality you guarantee.
Quality I guarantee, and whatever color your designer wants, we will deliver.
Wow. So how can we reach out to Yossi?
You could either call my office at 718-851-0927 or send us a WhatsApp at 917-567-9306.
All right, and if you mention the Chaim Perlowitz Show, Yossi's going to take care of you. It's an andere Stapel. Shkoich Yossi for bringing me down here, beautiful place.
My honor.
And that's it. That's look at Abba.